Hi, afternoon everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This round, I'm gonna introduce you a handheld vacuum cleaner. My sister bought this, so I borrow her item for unboxing purpose. This brand apparently is called Chigo. Chigo in Penang is Penang Hokkien language is actually very ham sup. So in China, this brand is called Chigo. So let's see how Chigo goes. Let's do the unboxing of Chigo. Chigo comes with one killer, the head. Then comes with this one. Then I think this is the wall stuck item. Then the main item is this Chigo Handheld item. So it's a bit, it looks a bit like Dyson. Maybe the copycat of Dyson also. Then two button of the very long one, you can cantum and then you push around. Then comes with one USB cable. This item charged through USB cable. Interesting. Throw away first. So this is all the item of Chigo. Hey, mic's out. These are all the item of Chigo. Okay, Chigo is very easy. So there's a on-off button over here. Then the back side is actually the charging station. So ngam Chigo. So the Chigo punya cable is like that cantum, then you cantum to the whole thing. Actually quite easy. You can use your power bank to charge this Chigo also. So you can go and vacuum your car. Okay lah. So how is it gonna do is like, I think when you after vacuum finish, you just unplug, pull it off, then you twist the whole thing, or you cannot simply twist. Yes, you just twist the whole thing, but you don't pull too hard lah, because this is a plastic. If you pull too hard, right, later break, then GG. So this is the filter. Not coffee filter, like it's a vacuum filter. So this is the cover. So it's a very simple and a very small portion of a handheld vacuum cleaner from Chigo. Okay, then let's try. So what you need to do is you just plug it in. So Chigo is like that. Button. On button. This is how Chigo operates. Very high power also. So there is medium and high. I think this is high. Super high. Off. Got it. Then the thing here also off accordingly. So you see. Open. Then you go in cup chan a bit. Cup chan. Okay, cup chan. Okay, you see the effect of Chigo, very good. Suck all the hair, some of the dust at the bottom, you see. Got some BG and everything. Okay lah, not too bad. Chigo works well. So overall, this Chigo you can hang on the wall like that. So it's like one batang. 我知道，哎呀。 Chigo fall down. So for cheap item, Chigo of course this is reliable already lah. So you hang like that, then not too bad lor. 今年买几多钱？哇，原来 Chigo is not cheap eh. My sister tell me it's 193 after discount from Shopee 1111. But I don't know lah. Overall, it's very lightweight. Definitely, it's a product. This Chigo very ngam girls. So girls, if you are looking for some Chigo, this is one of the device very good for you to use. They all said I'm using this is like I'm like my niece playing masa like that goreng, and it's like so easy to use. It's like kids playing with toys like that. But no doubt, because this is by far one of the lightest handheld vacuum that I hold, and the motor is actually not heavy, it's very light, so I think it's very perfect for girls. And overall, I think it's very simple. One of the good thing, because a lot of people are looking for cordless vacuum. This cordless vacuum Chigo ngam of you. And look at this Chigo. The function is very simple. One press button, and the blue button is like very yang like that. Normal, actually just now I said it's medium to high. No, this is actually high to Chigo super high. Off, 搞定，简单 and easy to use, senang and boleh simply diguna. Okay lah, this is Chigo product. Check out my link below, and you guys can buy lo. Chop is coming ma. Try out this Chigo. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like lah. Bye bye.
I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and win a kiss. If you want some melody, just let me know.
Oh, before bye-bye, just like bye-bye, now is to rewind a little bit, because Chigo is my version of language. How to pronounce in 怎样叫 Chigo 叫什么？至高，原来是至高，not Chigo，Chigo is my version. Okay, see you, bye bye.